Welcome, I'm Matt, an employee here at Beverage-Air. Over the next several minutes, I'm going to show you how to properly install casters on your new Beverage-Air unit. There are many caster options available, and most come free of charge at the time of order. Stem casters are used on under-counter, worktop, sandwich prep, deli prep, bar equipment, and horizon top mount units. First, we have the low-profile caster, which is 2 3/4 inches. Second is our 3-inch caster, which is also ADA approved. And lastly is our 6-inch caster, which comes standard on all of our under-counter, worktop, and sandwich prep units. We also have the plate caster option. They are used on LV, MM, HB, and some of our horizon top mount units. They do come standard on our HBR and HBF units. We also have leg options available. First is our 6-inch black leg. Next is our 6-inch stainless steel leg. If you are receiving with your unit, the box will be located inside of the unit. Make sure that the locking casters are installed in the front. You'll want to use the wrench included with your caster kit. Balance the unit using wedges or have a helper hold the unit for you. We don't recommend placing the unit on its side due to the refrigerant shifting in the unit. If absolutely necessary for caster install, do not plug the unit in for a full 24 hours after installation. Tighten the caster bolt by turning clockwise until they are secure. If you have any further questions on this process, feel free to contact the Beverage-Air Tech Service team at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.